So good morning teachers, and I welcome you all in our teacher training program. So in last video, we see the first two steps of the course pedagogy, which was observation and questioning. And in this video, we're going to discuss third and fourth step of the course pedagogy, which is hypothesis, or sometimes we call it intelligent guess and prediction. So the third step of the course pedagogy is hypothesis. So all of you know that in hypothesis, student going to find out the answer of the question that they build, which is based on the observation. They do so by using their previous knowledge, or they can also use the science textbook for the help. So for example, in our case, if you remember, we asked you to write down all the question that comes in your mind after seeing the observation, and you all teachers write down the questions in the comment box. So, and the most common questions are like why we divide these things into different groups, or what on what basis we divide these items in the two different groups. So this type of question, definitely this type of question will be in the student mind also. So we're going to find out the reason of this question. So first of all, the reason could be that the things that are shown in the observation might is different. So since you are already introduced acid and bases in your classes, so there are some students who definitely going to say that group A is acid and group B is base, or some student also going to say that group B is acid and group A is base. So these are some intelligent guesses that comes in front of you in your class. And so in our case, our hypothesis will be like we divide those things into two groups on the basis of acid and base, or we divide those things on the basis of their taste. And one thing is to remember that these acid base concepts are coming from the fact that you are already introduced acid and base in your classes, and after then you going to identify acid and base. So I am assuming that a student is already know what is acid and what is base, and thereafter we going to identify them. So first, knowing what is acid and what is base is important, and after that we're going to identify them. So the fourth step of the cost pedagogy is prediction. So all of you know that in prediction, we're going to predict some statement or result on the basis of hypothesis, or even sometimes on observation. So for example, in our case, our hypothesis is that group A acid or group A is base, or vice versa. And second hypothesis is that we divide all those things on the basis of their taste. Since tasting everything is not a good option, we're not going to taste everything. It may be harmful to us or to the student. So tasting is not a good option. So we left with only one thing, that group A is acid, or group B is base, or group B is base, or group A is acid. We are not sure which one is base and which one is acid. So we're going to use so for identifying which one is acid and which one is base, we're going to use an indicator, which is litmus paper in this case, or you can also use any other indicator if you want. So I'm going to predict that if litmus paper changes its color from blue to red, the thing is acid, and if litmus paper changes from red to blue, the thing is base. So this is my prediction. So thank you for watching. See you in our next video.